Okay guys, we're at Magic Kingdom. So we're pretty excited. It's only our 100th time being here, but we get excited every single time we come.
We're gonna go see the castle.
We're gonna go see the castle, and then Tomorrowland, ride the people mover. But look at all the balloons! Yay!
Watch for the thing, Mom.
Yep, it looks pretty cool today. It's a nice day. It's about 78. It's the last day of February 29th. So we won't see February 29th for another 4 years. So enjoy your day. You can make your mistakes today because they won't show up on Facebook for 4 years. So go for it. Look at all these balloons. Ah, look. You can see the castle. Look, guys. Whoa.
You put me through that.
Sorry, Angelina's head went through there. But there's the castle. Everybody's taking pictures. It's a really nice breeze. And these are all light up, souvenirs. Cute. We've got the castle.
This is the light up fairy wings.
Oh, that's cool.
That's what I should get, Lucy.
Light up fairy wings. How pretty is that?
The Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell. How pretty. Okay, wow. So I'm just going to browse around. As you can see, there's a lot of people shopping. It's not real crowded today, but they've got some really cute sweatshirts like this one. Plain white slippers. How much is that? How much is that?
70.
Not bad. It's not bad for Disney. Most things are 100, so 70. If you're an annual pass holder, you get 20%, so makes it a little easier on the wallet. This guy's walking in front of me. They even have a castle inside Disney. This is one of the shopping areas, so it's pretty cool. Cute little ears that light up. Just light up.
They have Jessie and Woody.
These are ink pens. We're like ink pens. We love ink pens. I think I like. Sorry about that. Just trying to almost drop my phone. These are little art kits for kids. It's for your little doggies. How cute is that? Little doggy outfits. Okay, we're back outside. It's pretty crowded, of course. It's always crowded by the castle. It's a little windy, but we'll take it. The wind is always nice. Here we go. They have a little show going on at the castle. I think. Yep, I see somebody up there. These people are waiting to take pictures with the castle in the background. Oh, they're tap dancers. many jazz dancers. Good thing I have my daughter with me.
Everyone's got something. A party's like a big pot of gumbo. It takes all the different flavors coming together to make it good.
She's right, my tall friend. You got to let loose and cut her up.
Wash. You never know what you can do till you try.
You know what Mama Odie would say if she were here. You gotta dig a little deeper to find out who you are. Don't matter what you look like. Don't matter what you wear. How many rings you got on your finger. We don't care.
Doesn't matter where you come from. Doesn't matter who you are. Big, small, short, we got them all in here.
And they all knew what they wanted us to do. Told them what they needed. Just like we'll be telling you. You got to dig a little deeper. Find out who you are. You got to dig a little deeper. It's really not that far. When you find out who you are, find out what you need. Blue skies and sunshine, guaranteed. My friend, it's time to take your place in the sun.
Okay, we're going to Tomorrowland. Popcorn smells good. Should have brought that little stick. You know, that you hold it. It'd be so much easier.
They don't allow selfie sticks, so do they allow tripods?
Oh, they don't?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because they always say it on the tram. Weapons
Oh.
and or selfie sticks are not allowed in the Disney parks.
I'll have to look to see what.
I think it's because of rides. People try to film themselves on rides and then it causes something to break.
Probably. People mover. People mover. Crying baby. Bubbles. Okay, we're on the people mover.
Please step
Wasn't
carefully
a
onto
very
the
long
moving
wait.
platform, then
Maybe
step
5
into the car.
minutes.
For your safety,
not too
remain
bad.
seated at all times, keeping hands, arms, feet, legs, and other appendages inside your car. And please supervise
It's
younger
pretty
kids.
slow.
Stay clear of the
It
doors.
just really goes around in a circle. Here we go.
This is the TTA Blue
Well, I
Line,
take that
non-stop
back.
service around Tomorrowland.
It's started. Sorry.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Borak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute
Highway
best
in
way to
the
see
sky.
Tomorrowland. Like my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not keep flight.
Going around.
Thank you.
Now we're in the dark.
First up, Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny Borak. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold.
Back out again.
Did you just say those are no longer sold there?
Two of the best trains in the cosmos for a bit of light speed competition.
Imagine I know. We should do that again. We should do that today. It's not a long line. We're going to do the Speedway again. It is fun.
Attention all visitors from
It's dark again. We're in a tunnel. Very dark. The camera keeps saying that we need more light, but we're in a tunnel.
Let relaxation wash over you at the most refreshing retreat in the galaxy, the Coral Moods of Pisces 7. You H2O it to yourself. Book today.
Spooky. It's cool. It's going slow. We all know it's going to start up again. People are screaming. Can't even see Angelina. She's across from me.
I'm waving. I don't know if you can see it.
I can't see you at all. Whoa! It's jerking us from side to side. It's really, really dark. Hear everybody screaming? That's Space Mountain above us. Here we go. Whoa! Coming out to the light. Here we are. We're back out. Yay!
Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Thank you. Forward-facing tentacles clear on oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Okay, we're getting ready to get a car and go driving. So I hope you guys can just watch all these cool cars go by because they're all different colors and there's so many people that are happy and there's so many people in line, as you can see. Everybody is driving a car. Of course, we're going separately because we both want to drive. There's Pooh, there's Tigger. Oh, we're missing Pooh and Tigger. There goes Pooh.
There they go.
Aw.
Did you know that Mad Hatter has always either had a shop or a restaurant or a ride here? Even at even in all
I
the
didn't
Disney
notice this
parks?
one. What's this? What's this other one? That's cute. We'll go around. Well, this the? This is that?
We could always leave.
Let's go look to see how long it is. Pretty cool. Look at the giant trying to come through. Ah, so many pretties. Ah, look at the castle. Look at the carousel. Oh, this is cute. It's an apron. Apron. Look.
That's cute. Did you see Mickey?
Wait a minute. Oh, there's Mickey. There's Mickey. Oh. I really like that apron. How much do you want for the apron? It's really cute.
35.
34. It's not bad. Oh, pretty dress. Isn't that dress pretty?
Mm-hmm.
What dresses? Oh. Oh. Maybe with. Oh wow. All the dolls. I like her, Angelina.
Raya?
Uh-huh. And her. Look how gorgeous these dresses are. They're so pretty. Ah, look at that. Ah, so pretty.
That's Jazz.
Is that? What's the biggest size it comes in? Medium. The jewelry's pretty too. I mean, look at the jewelry. And the crowns. And the dresses. And there she is. Look out. I have to turn around a minute and take this. Wait a second. Take this.
Yeah, our ticket was $56 and it was $190. Yeah, it was that much.
This.
I got my it's all out. $7 per person. Yeah, so I was. They asked me about like chicken tenders, but I was like, wow.
Ito din ang mga diba? It's very
I mean,
Can I get a tiara?
yes. Well, I have one.
Really? Can I see it?
You can pick the one you want. I have quite a few. They're brand new with